Sachar, the Sarmast, or the intoxicated, is famous for his devotional poetry. His poems describe his deep love for God, a love beyond conventions and boundaries. In this poem, Yardi Gharoli, Sachar describes his love for God through the parable of a relationship between a Gharoli, a clay pot, and its owner, the beloved. This beloved carries her Gharoli to the river regularly to fetch water. She is followed by a secret lover who is jealous of the way the clay pot rests on his beloved's waist. In the first verse, the lover threatens to have the pot broken and taunts it because of the great deal of pain it is causing the beloved. In the second verse, the Gharoli, or clay pot, pleads for its life. It describes the painful manner in which it came into being from sand and water. How it was churned at the potmaker's wheel, burnt in his fire chamber, and then sold in the market for just 1 penny, until finally it was purchased by the beloved and brought to her home, where it has since served her faithfully and lovingly. The Gharoli describes its desire for eternal companionship with the beloved and sings, I, the pot of the beloved, am filled with love for the beloved. I fear only one alone.
Oh, my Yardi Gharoli.
अब क्या जवाब है? अब घड़ा
जवाब देता है,